To insert a SIM card in Realme GT7 Pro, first we'll need to open our SIM tray, which is located on the bottom of our device. We can grab SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right here to open it. Then when it's removed, we can grab our SIM card, align it with one of the slots. There's two of them. And then just put it back where it was before. And our SIM card is inserted. We'll see it right after we unlock our device. There should be a pop-up. So I don't have a SIM pin actually on this card, but we can see that the SIM one is inserted like this.